Hi there and welcome to my channel where I'm here with something really new for me, which is clothing DIYs. So basically, with all of this pregnancy and changing so many houses in the past couple of years, so I've just been getting more and more clothes, and I was always like, oh yeah, next time I will throw it away, and it's never happened. So I started to throw it away. And then I found myself that during this pregnancy, I was struggling having enough clothes because with Nilu, I was working. So I didn't really need to have like daily clothes, many daily clothes. I just have like a couple of leggings, few baggy t-shirts, and I was perfectly fine. But this time I'm a homestay mom, so obviously I have to kind of change my outfit almost every day. And this pregnancy, I'm bigger than with Nilu. So what fits with Nilu doesn't fit 100% in this pregnancy, or it doesn't let me make as comfortable as I was when I was with Nilu. So I found myself with this pile of old clothes, either from me or from Ali. And I was just like, am I really gonna throw all of this away? Like, some things, they are quite damaged, and some things, they look really new. Like, do I really want to get rid of them? So I was online searching, and then I started to find all of these people that they were recycling their clothes, and I was like, why don't I recycle my own clothes? Why do I want to throw them away? So that's what I started to do. You will see now, from one pair of jeans, I made 2 outfits. Yes, from one pair of jeans, 2 outfits. It's super easy, it's super quick. If you have a sewing machine, it's gonna be easier. If you don't, actually, you don't really need it, to be honest. And I really hope you like it. I really hope you will stay the full video and enjoy it. Leave me a comment if you enjoy it. I hope you like it so much. You will give me a huge thumbs up, and if you're new, you will subscribe to enjoy all the new content I'm bringing to my channel, and you will follow me on my social media to don't miss all my stories and posts and everything that I do daily, sharing a little bit more about us. These are the jeans. You can see they are quite baggy. I used it quite a while during Nilu's pregnancy, but this time I just don't feel it's my style anymore. I decided to make shorts, which I don't have for this summer. It's as easy as you can see now. What I did is I measure myself and more or less find out where I would like to be the end of the shorts. So you will measure from the inside of the jeans until that measurement, and then you will do the same from the hips to where you want it, as long as you want them to be. And to make your life much easier, I'm using this white pencil, which will help me to make a straight line, to make sure I'm cutting the same in both sides. As well, make sure you are all the time making the jeans as flat as possible, because you don't want after to cut it and found out that they were a little bit crumpled on the back, and they are shorter in one side and longer in another. So make sure before you cut and while you are doing the line that everything is perfectly fine. And if you are like me, a beginner, and you are not an expert cutting all of this, I will tell you to put some clips so you will make a line, and at the same time you are sticking together the top and the bottom, so when you are cutting, you are 100% cutting a straight line. So I could say with this, your shorts are done. I decided to just leave the ends how they are after you cut it, because it's kind of a style that is really fashionable now. But if you want to, you just have to actually just sew the ends. And now, as you can see, I'm taking both of the legs of the denim. In the denim, we always have 2 parts. So if you turn around your denim, you will see there's one side is look like a book that you can open and close, and the other one is really properly sew. Don't touch that one, because believe me, you always want to maintain as much as fabric sewing as possible. make sure you found the area where it's like a book. That one you will completely open, and as you can see as well, you will have the bottom of your jeans, and in the top is where you cut it. So you will turn it around. What was the bottom of the denim will be the top of your jumpsuit, and the top of the jeans will be the bottom, because if you can see, once you open it, it looks like an A. So normally, especially being pregnant, we are more like an A. On the top we are smaller, and on the bottom we are bigger, and we want to have more room on our legs and our bum, on our belly, than we wanted to have it on top. So that is why. And again, don't touch the sewing that is being done on the bottom of the denim. In my case, because I have a lot of t-shirts, I want to get rid of them. I take this gray t-shirt that actually is really elastic. I know it looks really small. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save the sleeves, and that's gonna be the sleeves of my jumpsuit. And I'm gonna take the rest of the t-shirt and I'm gonna place it around the side, and that's gonna be what is gonna make my jumpsuit elastic, and that's what is gonna make my jumpsuit fit on me. As you can see, first I used the full t-shirt to measure myself, but it was really low, so I was 100% needed to use something underneath, and it was huge. So what I've done, I fold it and then I cut it on half, I try again, and then I fold it again, and then I try again until I found my measure. Every time I cut it, I make sure I was saving the bottom of the t-shirt. Again, the sewing of the t-shirt, I did not remove it. I was really careful. How was that? I'm gonna show you now both of the things again, so you can see. So these are the shorts. Okay, as you can see, I did not sew it, I just leave it how it was, and I think it looks really nice because it has this already original folding here on the top. I actually love them. I have to say, these jeans, I've used them while I was pregnant and I love it right now, and I'm sure they're gonna save my life this summer. I have to say, I left them a little bit long because I don't like any more super short unless they are high waist. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, that's what I like right now. And also these ones, why I also have to keep them quite long, because as you can see, they have a really low pocket. So if I was cutting them super short, at the end you will see the pocket from here, okay? So sometimes when you cut your long jeans, make really sure how are the pockets going, okay? And then here we have the famous jumpsuit. I love it. It's super comfortable. Like, I'm so happy with the result. So as you can see, now I will show you again. So this is the top of the t-shirt. As you saw in the video, I did not touch it at all. I just cut it following the line of their own sewing. Can you see this line over here? So this, I didn't touch it. That's why I say, try to save as much as possible that type of things. And as you can see here, to make it look more natural, sorry guys, it's too sunny today. Can you see over there, I also put that one. So this is the bottom of the t-shirt, the old t-shirt. And if you go again to the bottom of the jumpsuit, you have it over there again. You see? And then in the middle, I joined them here, but it's not so visible. And I have to say something, don't panic, and for sure you saw it on my video, and that will be one of the comments I will receive. This type of jeans, because they are baggy ones, so basically the front and the back, they are not exactly the same measurement. That's why you see me in the video, I keep measuring it. And obviously the line of the jumpsuit is not exactly in the middle, because the back is bigger. I think it's like 1.5 centimeters more than the front, but I didn't want it to cut it, so I don't really mind. I knew it from the beginning when I was doing that it's not gonna be 100% in the middle, but I tried to do as best as I could to make it look, this line is as much as possible in the middle, okay? You can see it's not 100% same, straight and everything, okay? But it doesn't look that bad when you are wearing it. Anyway, as I'm saying, it's a homemade thing, and sometimes clothes that we buy on stores, really expensive ones, they also have so many defects, so it's fun, absolutely fun for me. And as I said, you see, you have a pair of jeans and you get 2 different outfits. Isn't that amazing, guys? I hope you love it so much. You will give me a huge thumbs up. You will subscribe to my channel, and you will press the red button, and you will press the bell, so every time I upload a video you will get a huge notification, and I will see you on the next one. Mwah.